Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to naturally boost your body's collagen and elastin production. These proteins are essential for maintaining youthful skin, strong hair, and flexible joints. Stay with us until the end for some helpful tips and recipes. Now let's get started. What are collagen and elastin? First, let's understand what collagen and elastin are. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your skin, hair, nails, bones, and connective tissues. Elastin, on the other hand, allows tissues to return to their original shape after stretching or contracting. Together, they keep our skin firm and elastic. How does the body create collagen and elastin? The body creates collagen and elastin using amino acids from protein-rich foods, along with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, zinc, and copper. As we age, our body's ability to produce these proteins diminishes. A study published in the journal Dermatoendocrinology found that collagen production decreases by about 1% each year after the age of 20. This decline is due to slower cellular activity and decreased production of essential enzymes. Why do we lose collagen and elastin as we age? Several factors contribute to the loss of collagen and elastin with age. Reduced production. As already discussed, the body naturally produces less as we age due to lower cellular activity and decreased production of essential enzymes. Environmental factors. UV radiation, pollution, and smoking accelerate degradation. Lifestyle factors. Poor diet, stress, and lack of sleep can also impact production. A study in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology highlighted that UV exposure significantly accelerates collagen breakdown. This process is known as photoaging. Why do we have lower cellular activity and decreased production of essential enzymes as we age? As we age, the efficiency of our cellular processes declines. This is partly due to the shortening of telomeres, the protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes, which affects cell division and function. Additionally, oxidative stress and the accumulation of cellular damage over time can impair the production of essential enzymes needed for collagen and elastin synthesis. Can we replace collagen and elastin or just support maintaining what we have left? While we can't completely replace the collagen and elastin we've lost, we can support our body's ability to maintain and protect what we have left. Let's explore some methods. 1. Diet. Consuming foods rich in amino acids, vitamins, and minerals is crucial. Foods that boost collagen and elastin. Bone broth, high in collagen. Citrus fruits, rich in vitamin C. Leafy greens contain chlorophyll, which boosts collagen production. Nuts and seeds provide zinc and copper. A study in nutrients found that a diet high in antioxidants from fruits and vegetables can help protect the skin from oxidative stress, which damages collagen and elastin. Can store-bought bone broth, such as canned, be effective? Yes, bone broth can be store-bought, including canned versions. However, homemade bone broth is often richer in nutrients. If you choose store-bought, look for organic options with minimal additives to ensure you're getting the most benefit. Can intermittent fasting aid the production of collagen and elastin? Intermittent fasting has been shown to promote autophagy, a process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This can potentially support the production of collagen and elastin by enhancing cellular repair and reducing oxidative stress. A study published in Aging Research Reviews indicated that intermittent fasting can stimulate autophagy, which may help maintain healthy skin and slow down the aging process. Is there a way to slow the loss of collagen and elastin? To slow the loss, focus on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise increases blood flow and nutrient delivery to the skin. Sun protection, use sunscreen daily. Healthy diet, Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep skin hydrated. A review in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology emphasizes that adequate hydration is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and appearance. The importance of collagen and elastin. Collagen and elastin are not just about looking young. They play crucial roles in overall health. Joint health. Collagen maintains cartilage and joint flexibility. Bone strength. Collagen provides structure to bones. Wound healing. Collagen is essential for repairing tissues. Can vegans replace collagen? Vegans can support collagen production through a diet rich in the necessary building blocks. Protein-rich plants, beans, lentils, and tofu. Vitamin C sources, berries, oranges, and bell peppers. Zinc and copper, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. A study in nutrients found that, when well-planned plant-based diets can provide adequate nutrients for collagen synthesis. Let's look at some foods and simple recipes to boost your collagen and elastin naturally. Recipe ideas. Bone broth soup. Ingredients: bone broth, vegetables, and spices. Preparation: simmer for a few hours to extract collagen. Citrus salad. Ingredients: oranges, spinach, nuts, and a drizzle of olive oil. Preparation: mix and serve fresh. Nut and seed mix. Ingredients: almonds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Preparation: roast lightly and store in an airtight container. Boosting your body's collagen and elastin can have a significant impact on your overall health and appearance. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about what topics you'd like us to cover next. Stay healthy and happy. See you in our next video.